In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Trello's native dashboard view for clear, actionable reporting. If you've been using Trello to keep your projects organized, the dashboard view is where your lists and cards turn into insights you can actually act on. Think of it as your built-in reporting hub. No extra tools, no spreadsheets, just visual charts and graphs drawn directly from your board data so you can see progress, spot bottlenecks, and communicate status at a glance. Start by opening your marketing board, or whichever board you want to analyze. Up in the top left, you'll see the Current View button. It usually says Board. Click that to open the View menu. This is where Trello lets you change how you look at your work without changing the work itself. From the drop-down, choose Dashboard. The screen will switch from lists and cards to a set of visual widgets. You're still looking at the same information, but now it's summarized, grouped, and easier to scan. On the dashboard, Trello includes a few defaults like cards per list and cards per label. These give you quick reads on workload distribution and how your tasks are categorized. For example, cards per list can instantly show whether your in-progress column is ballooning, and cards per label can help you see which campaign types or priorities are taking up the most space. You can make the dashboard yours by customizing what you see. Click into the default widgets to adjust their settings, or click Add Widget to create a new chart from scratch. When you're building out your view, focus on the KPIs that actually drive decisions. If deadlines matter most, add a widget for upcoming due dates so you can see what's landing this week and what might need attention. If capacity is the pain point, set up a widget that highlights individual team workloads so you can rebalance before anyone burns out. Keep labels and titles clear and consistent, and avoid clutter. 3 or 4 focused widgets often communicate better than a crowded wall of charts. The goal is to help your team spot what's working, what's stuck, and what needs follow-up in seconds. That's the core workflow. Open the View menu, switch to Dashboard, and customize your widgets to reflect your most important metrics. Once it's in place, you'll have a simple, repeatable way to check the health of your projects. If you found value in today's video, tapping like is a small gesture that really helps others discover our content, and we're always looking to improve. Drop a note in the comments with what you enjoyed or how we can level up. We read every single one, and your feedback shapes what we build next.